Stalking, kneading, bleeding. Stalking, kneading, bleeding. You will not see me, however, I'll never be that far from you, seeking closeness that I may never fulfill. Yet I crave you still. So I watch, but at what cost? It just makes me want you more. As I see things that seem to feed me, my desire does grow as you lure. And I may never know what is the cause of this or why you intrigue me so. In your room, as you turn out the light, now just out of sight, I climb to your windowsill.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
I only wish to see what it is that intrigues me. As you sleep in your window, I will creep to watch this angel in her bed. Geological anomaly larger than any other geological anomaly on every planet and moon in our solar system. If you put something about me. So, someone in my family that I'm not going to mention has always been disabled and has had a lot of issues. So, I decided to go to massage therapy school when I was, I guess, about 8 years ago. And now I am a licensed massage therapist.
Wow.
So, I have a clinic here in my studio in St. Petersburg, which is pretty neato mosquito. And it really helps me pay for all my other things. He. Because you know what? Being an artist isn't always what's going to make you rich. Even though it does help out a little bit, and I really appreciate you contributing to like my Patreon and stuff like that, because it really helps me make all of this possible and being able to do these daily lives, which is fabulous. I'm looking forward to going to Japan soon. That'll be fun. Yeah, that'll be fun. I think it'll be fun. I've never been there. Never been to Asia at all. Welcome to Swallow, the small roadside bread. But I kept on trying despite what it.
Take me back to old Yazoo. Everything up here is new. I can't stand it, just must land it. Going back to old Yazoo.
Well, hello there. I want to thank you for making it to the end of our video.
Hey, are you one of those humans that likes to do music for some reason? Well, if you are, I would absolutely love it if you made some daily life intro stuff or some cool like XZanthia kind of song thing or something cool like that, so people would think I was cool if you did that. Thank you very much. Make it to the end of our video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, Mr. Tank, what are 3 things you think they should do right here?